I saw my mother, who worked in a factory, dirty, grimy, back in the 70s, when sexual harassment wasn't anything anyone was talking about. I saw my father, who taught me how to hold a micrometer and run a machine. I was 13 years old. That was my exposure to manufacturing. I'm hooked. I'm almost 50. And I love what I do, as many of you already know. I saw my 7th grade teacher. He nominated me for student council. I saw the men who treated me as an equal. It's a shame I have to be grateful for that. I saw my first OEM customer. I saw the Pioneer Service team, the blood, the sweat on my shop floor. I saw my uncle, who is also my silent partner for the past 26 years. God bless him. Because of him, I've been able to fly. The exercise really did make me reflect and show gratitude for all those people in my journey. We are not disadvantaged and we are not victims. There is plenty of opportunity. We need to earn our place and let the results speak for themselves. We need to strengthen our network inside and outside of our workplace. And through those relationships, there is sustainable growth. But it has to be authentic. This is not brain surgery. We don't even need to know all the answers. We just have to exceed the expectations, always. Whatever your job description shows, go above it. People will notice. You will get rewarded sooner or later by someone, somehow, because your network is so broad. And remember, don't limit yourself to people that look like you with the same background as you, because innovation is only championed through diversity. As leaders, we need to advocate, captivate, and empower our fellow women. So if I've inspired you to do anything, I hope you'll look in the mirror and show gratitude for those who've helped you for where you are today. But more importantly, think about, ask yourself, who sees your face when they look in the mirror? And how many people are there that see your face in their mirror? Are you okay with that? Congratulations on your award. It will sit beautifully in your office, I'm sure. I know it does for me. It's truly an honor to be here. I ask you to take this honor as a responsibility to empower and be that strong advocate for other women. Be that face in the mirror for them.